Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be replacing the faulty window switch in my 2004 BMW E46. Now in most cars, pulling up on the window switch is supposed to close the window. Obviously pushing it down opens the window. But in my case, all of a sudden the window switch decided that both up and down was going to result in the window opening. Of course that's not very practical because the only workarounds for this is to press and hold the lock button on the key, and after a brief pause all the windows and the sunroof will close. Luckily it's a very easy fix, so without any further ado, let's get on with it. Okay, so the first step is to remove the gear stick gaiter, so that just unclips, and I'm also going to put it into fourth gear just to get better access to the two screws that hold the trim in place. So we just need to remove these screws or loosen them, and now we can remove the trim. And you'll notice that there's obviously wires going to the two window switches, so just be aware of that. And we should be able to unclip the window switch, so it's basically just held in place with this clip here, so you just squeeze that and then it just pops out. So we can unplug the window switch like so, and I've got my new one here which I ordered from German Car Spares Kent on eBay, so highly recommend checking out that eBay shop if you need any E46 BMW parts. So there's the new switch. I'm gonna plug it in. The plug does only go one way, so just oops. As I plugged it in, I pressed the switch there. Okay, so that's now plugged in, and we can clip it in place. So it just hooks in at this end. So there's two sort of hooks, or a tab, if you like, that hooks on the front side of the gear stick trim surround, and then it just snaps into place at the back. Now we can just refit the trim. Put the gear stick back into neutral, and then clip the gear stick gaiter back in and just push it back into place. And that is it. So just going to do a quick test. So pushing down opens the window, and pulling up closes it, as it should. Okay, so as you can see, it's a very easy repair, only takes probably less than 5 minutes, and you only need a Phillips screwdriver. So if you found the video useful or enjoyed it, or both, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more DIY related videos, whether it's relating to cars, boats, home improvements or more, then check out the other videos on my channel and make sure you subscribe. So for now, thank you for watching, and I'll hopefully see you soon on another video.